Hey, it's Eric with Sprucehill Custom Homes and Renovations, and here's your project update for our Mont Royal kitchen addition renovation. Behind me is a very cool fireplace detail that the designers have come up with, and our team has done an amazing job getting ready for final finish here. This is going to be a very cool feature once it's done. Big shout out to Ryan from Team Sprucehill for getting this to where it is right now. This looks spectacular. Let's go have a look at the kitchen and see what's going on. All right, so we are in the kitchen. It is coming along and looking amazing. Unfortunately, for whatever reason, my gimbal is being a little bit temperamental today and isn't following, but I believe this wide angle has got everything that you need to see in the shot. The wall oven and speed oven are in now. We have got everything ready to go for the same type of detail that's happening at the fireplace. Just debating as to how that's going to play out. The cooktop is in, pot fillers in, countertops are in, backsplash is in. I mean, honestly, we're so close to the finish line. The clients are desperate to get up here. We just got 2 more weeks, and they should be able to be in here. Let's just go have a quick peek at the bathroom and see how special that's looking too. All right, so this is what the bathroom's looking like. What a phenomenal space. The detailing in here is exquisite. Herringbone tile, gold Schluter strip here for the niche, gold fixtures here. Like, this is looking amazing. I'll grab the camera and pick you guys up and then just show you what the sink is looking like as well. Like, this is just going to be something special. We can't wait to have this done and let the clients move in and enjoy.